Hey everyone, Buffalo here, coming at you with another FBA video. Someone had asked about my miniature schnauzers. Tyson, Tiger, come. I'm gonna run in here and do this quick FBA video to show you what I got going to Amazon. And yeah, let's get to it.
Welcome to Defend the Hustle. Buffalo always keeps it a buck.
I can guarantee you most of the audience is gonna agree with me before they agree with you.
Lock in, because Buffalo is about to
Crack your cranium and fertilize your brain. Go ahead and right here, right now. You go ahead.
subscribe and share now.
So yeah, these are my miniature schnauzers. I got Tyson in black and Tiger in brown. These guys are always in the warehouse, running around, checking on stuff like they little soldiers.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi.
But yeah, let's go ahead and get into my FBA shipment. I got UPS coming in today. I just wanted to show you all what I have for this shipment of the items that I'm shipping out to the FBA fulfillment center, and have something unique today. This is the first time that I have an order of items going to FBA, and actually in Georgia. This is my first. Most of my items are shipped to Charleston, South Carolina, or somewhere up in Indiana. But this particular time, I have majority of my shipment, the bulk of the shipment is going to a fulfillment center here in Atlanta. So that's good, because I always been asking why my items are not going to all these fulfillment centers that I see here in Atlanta instead of going all the way up to Charlotte. All right, so over here in this box actually is staying in Atlanta, and I have Monster High items in here, several of those. If you see the boxes like this, pretty much with the label, this is a set, do not separate. Most of these items are action figures, high-end action figures that I put in these boxes to protect those. And if you watch any of my FBA shipments, I always go over that anytime I have a high-end item, if it's $40 or more, I don't bubble wrap it and just put it in the box. I put it actually in its own separate box and ship it out to Amazon. Let me just see what's in here. I have Barbie. Who is this one? This is Chelsea play set. I have several of those inside. On this particular box, I have the Nightmare on Elm Street, a classic, and that's a NECA figure. Most of these, if you see them in this box here, they're mostly NECA figures. I have some Legos in here. You see, I got Rainbow High. And I don't want to take too many things out to mess up the packing, because I packed this thing pretty good. You know, somewhat consider myself to be a load master. This is a Rainbow High wigs. I got these for, I think I caught them at $5 at Walmart last year on sale and on clearance sales. So I got a couple different boxes with those, or pretty much shipped them all out. We got some Battleship in here, Battleship Reload, the electronic version. And everything in this area right here is pretty much going to the fulfillment center in Atlanta. I got some Tech Deck BMX. I got these in a liquidation sale. We got some G.I. Joe figures in here. Now these Thor hammers, the back store on those, I found those at Ollie's last year after Christmas. They had dropped all the way down, I think from $19.99 to $5. These are PJ Masks. I sent them in a lot of those. I got some Nerf items in here that I picked up from Ross. This item right here, I got a couple of those. They came from Walmart. So in this box here, I have some Lego Batman stuff down here. These are some Barbies, the Harley Davidson figure, the female version. Over here, I have some Trolls World Tour. I got those from Ollie's a year ago as well. Hamilton Beach slow cooker, I got that from Walmart. And I think this is at Walmart for $10. Over here in this box, I have Minecraft Nerf, some more World Tour, Roblox, some Nerf guns from Star Wars, lightsaber down there, some more of the PJ Masks. Like I told you, I had a lot of this stuff in liquidation. These items right here are about $2.25 from the total of the sale. I meant total of the purchase that I made on the liquidation buy. Over here I have some more lightsabers, science kits, nerves, some more Monster High down there. I think I got a Barbie down there as well. Over here, another, what you call this, the Mega Mutant. Got that from Walmart, another Turbo Man, Star Wars, BMX. A lot of the same stuff. Just, it's crazy how you'll have multiple items. Amazon will require you to send them to several different fulfillment centers, which, you know, I don't understand why would they do that, but as long as it's selling, I'm cool with it. Here's some more Thor hammers. What is this? These are some Rainbow High. I got these from Walmart for $5. Actually, I got those for $3. G.I. Joe, some more of the wigs that I picked up last year on the sale from Walmart clearance sale. Let's see, over here, I have some more. Who is this? This is Predator 2, the Ultimate Battle. Like I say, all my high-end items I put in these type boxes. Put them in there, put a little bubble wrap around them, just in case if they don't sell at the fulfillment center, when they ship it back to me, it'll be in great condition. I had made a mistake early when I became a FBA reseller. I just put bubble wrap around that stuff, send it in to the FBA center, and it would come back if it didn't sell, box all beat up and stuff. And the only place I would be able to sell that type stuff would be on eBay, and I didn't like that at all because the value went down with the damaged box. This is the last box of this shipment. I have Disney Tribute. I have some more Lego Battleship, more Lego Fortnite, and some more NECA boxes down there. I mean figures down there. So this will be the last box of this shipment. And this particular shipment right here is going to Miami. Actually it said Miami Beach area. So wherever that is, I'm pretty sure it's not on Miami Beach, but that's what it said. And I think it said North Miami Beach or something like that. So I have items going into Indiana. I have items going to North Miami Beach. And I have items down here going to Atlanta. I'm thinking once these get out, it should be a day or two and these should be posted up on Amazon. And another great thing I like about Amazon is once I list these items and I synced it with the FBA fulfillment center, they automatically went live on Amazon. Right now I have pending orders for when this stuff get in, they're gonna ship it out to the customer. So that's a great deal right there. And over here on this table, this is the next shipment that I'm already working on. I got this stuff listed into Inventory Lab. And if you are I'm not sponsored by Inventory Lab, but I just want to say, if you are selling on Amazon and you have items that you want to ship into the fulfillment center, Inventory Lab is a great software that you can use to help speed up your processing time to get your stuff out of your garage, storage center, or warehouse. I love it. I mean, I don't like the fact that they went up on the subscription, but I mean, it's good, it's still good. And they made some great changes to it to make the interface more user-friendly. So yeah, these are items that I'm gonna have packed up in the next couple of days. This is some of the items, and then up top up there, I have more items that I'm gonna pull to put with this shipment to send off to Amazon. Oh, another thing, with Q4, like I said, I be all over this warehouse. And to keep the transparency, the warehouse is in disarray right now, and I can show you this. Normally these shelves are lined up all the way across, and because I have to pull so many different items, I got these mugs everywhere. But the good thing about it is I'm glad I did chose to buy the one with the wheels on it, because I can just move this stuff around, get what I need. And then, once I'm done with pulling orders for Q4, it'll be easy to put all this stuff back aligned like I normally have it when I'm not in Q4. Over here is my little mid-shift workstation. Normally I work over there where you see the shelves, but over here, because of FBA and it's convenient, I can get both of my printers here. I got my laptop, and I can just print out my labels, put them over here on the boxes. See, kind of give you a little glance right there, because I don't want my information out there, but that's a little glance. With that being said, I appreciate you all supporting the channel. Like I said, I have a Sunday night live reselling show, Defend the Hustle, where I have special guests, and then I have my two guys, Middleman Picker and Glass City Pickers, that come on, and we provide a lot of information to resellers, whether you old or new. You know, if you come in and you need some help, that's what we got the show for. Just wanted to show you some transparency for my Q4. This is probably my 6th shipment since July to Amazon, and like I said, I got one more I'm working on right here. And hey, the train don't stop. I mean, it's Q4, it's go time. And I'm gonna be putting a lot of stuff to complete these shipments and get this stuff in and try to empty out this warehouse as soon as possible. So I thank you all for all your support. Buffalo Picker, sorry I couldn't put my face on this video. Not feeling 100%. Like I said, I am getting better. Thank you for the support. See you on the next video.